In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the date of birth on your PayPal account. First, make sure you're signed into your PayPal account on a web browser. This can be on your computer or on a mobile browser, but the layout is usually clearest on a desktop or laptop. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll land on your main PayPal dashboard. This is the summary page that shows your balance, recent activity, and any linked cards or bank accounts. From here, you want to go into your account settings. Look to the top right-hand corner of the page, near where you usually find the Log Out button. Right next to that, you'll see a small gear icon. That gear icon is the shortcut to your settings. Go ahead and click on it. When you click the gear, PayPal will take you to your profile and account settings area. This is where your personal information is stored, such as your name, email, address, and other details that identify you. It's a good idea to be in a private place when you do this, so that nobody else can see your screen, because this section contains sensitive information. On this settings page, look for the section that lists your personal details. Depending on your country and your account type, this might be labeled as account, profile, or personal info. Your date of birth is stored here along with your legal name and other identification details. If your account is fully set up and verified, your birth date should appear clearly in this section. You'll see the day, month, and year that PayPal has on file for you. Take a moment to confirm that it's correct, especially if you recently created your account or changed any personal information. Having the right date of birth is important for identity verification, lifting account limits, and resolving any issues with customer support. However, if your account is not yet verified, you might not see your date of birth displayed here. In some cases, PayPal hides or limits certain personal details until you complete their verification steps, such as confirming your identity or linking and confirming a bank account or card. If that's your situation, you may need to follow PayPal's prompts to verify your account before your date of birth becomes visible, and that's all you need to do. By going to your dashboard, opening the